I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the CP's audio output type and the speaker's accepted input. Once done, choose the correct cable, RCA for analog, Toslink for optical, or USB for digital, and inspect connectors for damage. Make sure both devices are powered off to prevent shorts. You'll also prepare any adapters or DACs now if formats don't match. This gets you into the right wiring mindset and prevents backtracking. Next, we'll make the physical and software connections. Now connect the chosen cable from the CP's output to the speaker or external DAC input, pressing firmly until it seats. If you're using digital, plug Toslink or USB, and then select digital out on the CP's audio settings. If analog, select line out. Next, power the speaker briefly to select the correct input and set volume low, about 1/4, to protect drivers. Once input is confirmed, return to the CP and set sample rate or driver preferences so signals match. Finish by powering both units fully and playing a short test track, starting with spoken audio, then a complex music file so you hear dialogue and bass response. If you get no sound, systematically check cable seating, CP output selection, speaker input, volume limits, and firmware or driver updates. Make sure mute is off and Bluetooth isn't overriding wired input. One key troubleshooting tip: swap cables or try a known good device to isolate whether the CP, cable, or speaker is the problem before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.